No hard feelings, huh?
No hard feelings, right?
We're done. You can go back home. No hard feelings.
No hard feelings, Point Break. You got a mean swing.
If we get back into the scaring program, I hope there's no hard feelings.
I hope you know that wasn't personal.
Oh, no hard feelings at all, Pam. Besides, everybody makes mistakes.
It's just the job. No hard feelings.
I just want you to know there's no hard feelings on this. No one's gonna lose.
If you like, later on, I'll introduce you around. Well, no hard feelings if you don't.
No hard feelings.
I bet you are one hell of a damn poker player. No hard feelings. Huh?
No hard feelings, Mr. Bond. But we're even.
Forget it. No hard feelings. I'll see you around, pal.
You're right. I am sorry. I was just trying to be friendly. No hard feelings?
Mrs. Xander.
This is what I could have done.
Yeah, we know each other from the game. No hard feelings?
Oh, none at all. We won.
He's trying to save you, see?
So no.
So there's no hard feelings. Forgive and forget.
No hard feelings.
Ow! Ah! Hey, come on, man. No hard feelings, all right? It's gonna be fine.